Morning guys, this is vlog 34, the Phon-Er Gold. We are on our way to Golden West, the meat company again, to fix a charging port and a battery for success. Fix a charging port and replace the battery, so come with us. Weather today is pretty beautiful. It's a little gloomy, I guess it's because it's the morning, but I can tell it's gonna be a beautiful hot day. So get your ice blender on and get that motor going. Cold ice coffee is a must do today after 11 though. Just another 2 hours, so just wait. Okay guys, let's go. And we'll see you when we get there. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Peace. Cut. Cut. Going to work.
Work. You see me heavy work. You see me do me that. It's on me about that work. Will you walk la. I'm in the cafe, drive me a dessert.
How many more shots until you're rolling?
We're at the bean. That's the bean. 21 points away. What up, dude? What's going on, brother? I like the clean hair. Clean cut. He did a clean job. And now with the new ring and everything, he's like Fat Joe, you know? Pimpin'. And he's feeling, oh, yeah. Thank you, brother.
What's up, buddy?
What up, brother?
It's good. Your brother's birthday was something like that.
Bro, I have the whole thing on video, bro. So I'm making it so you know the wedding video that Stephanie told me. Remember my thing wasn't working, my memory card, right? So it was defective, so I sent it back to the but I good thing I had a 66 gig, so I was able to do only because 2.5 hours. It's still not bad.
It's very fun though. I showed it to the girl and she had a blast too.
Bro, I mean, we had.
Was it hangover too for next day?
Me? I don't know, but I went to Vegas the next day.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, for business.
Yes.
Alright, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Good, and we're out. What up, mister? Alright, brother. Huh? I know. Bro, I know, bro. Like, every other day, I just like fuck with it, you know? I'm like, I gotta stay modern. Yeah. I can't go classic on everyone. Here we go. Here's the Mozzie. It's not mine though. In my car. I missed it. Back, sir. We're back. We are now finally officially heading to our first job. Success. Charging port and battery change at the Golden West Food Group. Hey guys, I'll see you guys soon when I get there. I will get back then when I'm there, when I arrive. So stay tuned. Be right back. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, I just exited. I'm almost there. I'm like literally based on my Navi, it says 10:48. What? It should be less. It says I'm 9 minutes away, but I'm sure I'm gonna get there like 6. But we're almost here. We're at Vernon, California right now. Here the weather seems a little more gloomy. By my area is more like half blue, half gray, gradient, photoshopped kind of sky. But it's cool though because by 1 o'clock it should get a little sunny and bluey and bright sky, so it'll be fun. So we're gonna make a left here and we should be there in like 5 minutes, so stay tuned. We're almost there. Peace. Patience is a virtue and you are virtuous, guys. You are. True fam, true fam.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now.
Hey, how are you? How's your week going so far? Well, actually, it's a Monday. I'm like, how's your week going? I'm like, wait a minute, it's a Monday. What do you mean? Thanks. We're here, guys, Golden West. We're west siding right now. West side. We are west side. Here, visitor parking. Actually, I park handicap on this thing because it's private property, so they have like handicap spots. We're here, guys. We're ready to go in and check it out what's going on there. Roll. Alright. Okay, guys, here we go. Just parked. We're heading out. It's the golden. That's the company, guys. You see, they do Jack Daniel's stuff. Okay, guys, today we are doing iPhone 6s charging port, which is this part. The whole thing needs to be changed. That includes the head jack, the microphone, charging port, and then we're also changing the battery. So we got a brand new charging port. And we also have a brand new battery. Okay, guys, let's get to it. First, we'll take off the battery, and then because we're gonna still have more space to work on the charging port, and then next we'll take off the charging port, and then we'll change it in a reverse order. Okay, let's do this. Alright, guys, we're all done. We're going out now to Hollywood to look at an iPad. Wait, and I'll be right back. Peace. Guys, we just finished that. As you saw, charging port, battery, a new screen cover, and 2 bottom screws because his was loose and old. So now we're heading to Hollywood to fix, to check out an iPad that is dead. Supposedly, we don't know what it is, the battery or what it is. So we're gonna check it out and see what it is, and we'll come with. And I don't know if that one I'm going to take the guy with me because just gonna be like a quick, like just look, but and it's for this old grandma. I don't want to say why am I recording her. So it's for the old grams, old grandma alert. Yes sir, I guess we'll see you guys soon. I will keep you in the loop on my next repair, guys. In the meantime, take care, be good, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. That's a cut. True cut. It's a wrap.